Hi.
Did you say?
Ndiri boss kuti.
Yeah. Net one you.
Linda Tsungirai Masarira.
Net an issue.
Nene. I'm a pro-democracy activist.
She's not a cheese.
She's not about it. Kuti Simba, lematongero nyika nogara kuvanhu kwete kuma political leaders. And as such, I fight every day to ensure that power goes back to the people, not the other way around.
Simba titori nawo kudhara titori nawo kamasimba kuvanhu
vanhu havana simba
iwe uri 1 wokudhila ne13 million
handisi kuita ndiri 1 takatowanda
but manje wakazvimiririra ka vamwe wako vari kupi baba
iwe wadhumana neni ndiri 1 saka wada kuti tifambe tese tiri gura mwandira panguva yatinenge tisiri kuita zvebasa
saka munototi ibasa iroro zvamunenge muchitiita jamuka taita sei ibasa iroro.
We've got a generational mandate to ensure that the future of our children is better than what is there right now. And so long there are no jobs and so long people are suffering, we will ensure that we will usher in a new dispensation of leadership that cares about the welfare of Zimbabweans.
But and it will about Zimbabweans in the future generation. But right now, are you...
Can you tell me by Irukushanda?
You
cannot resuscitate a failing economy by selling wares. You cannot resuscitate a failing economy by selling vegetables. You cannot resuscitate a dead economy by being a vendor.
But the problem is relax. Asha pass.
Not a Asha because people are suffering. And so long people are suffering, don't say Asha. Anybody gets a good Asha when people are suffering.
Ayo, ipapo those wonanga msina kukwana iwewe na iwe Linda na Evans Mawariri ne kaika kata jamuka kanonza
ameno ndori kundi interview
ikako I didn't team my activist ajo na Parkerson Zamara activist chenyu munenge mukuita zvitisaska muchakupinza mukati
tipenzei hatina kana basa mukatipinza mukati futi tinongosvika tichingosandura zvinhu tirimo mukatimo
mneshuwa
chaizvo
kana mudamborohwa mbichani
tagara kana mboma chatomboityi kurohwa hakuurayi kana muchinoti nyarare motanga matiuraya kana tichinge tafatozvomuka tiri zvipoko
manje hatisi kukurohwa taangokusiyai muchingopenga unoziva benzi kana chitaura ka richingopengereka ukadisiya ka ndobva ndanyatsopenga handiti ka chitaura chinangwa chako chauri kuita zvauri kuita iwe activist chako iwe
chinangwa changu number 1 ndechekuti tibvise hurumende iripo isina hanya neruzhinji rwevana vezimbabwe tikwanise kuresuscitata ikonomi yedu mukwanise kuva nemabasa munhu wese akwanise kuzvimukira achienda kubasa kwake achigadzirisa upenyu hwake muzvimaturo vana vese vakwanise kuenda kuchikoro. As it stands right now, the education policy of Zimbabwe states that every primary school going child should go to school for free, but right now Dokora says mungaita unobhadhara school fees nembudzi. That is rubbish. Every primary school going child should go to school for free as per education policy in Zimbabwe, but that is not happening. And that is one of the other reasons why I fight every day, because we've got 8-year-old girls go and look who are soliciting for prostitution because their parents cannot even afford the school fees. We cannot run an economy this way. We cannot run a nation this way. My heart is for Zimbabweans. My heart is for the people. And so long people are suffering, I'll continue to do what I'm doing, because everyone deserves a better life. Everyone deserves a good life. There's no one who's more Zimbabwean than any other person. We are all equal Zimbabweans, and we should be afforded equal opportunities.
Yes, we're going to give you equal opportunity. But with my demonstrations, when you demonstrate... It is
my constitutional right. It is my constitutional right to demonstrate. Yes, I can even show you in the constitution of Zimbabwe here. It is my right as a it is my right to protest. It is. Saka, you cannot tell me I cannot protest because right to demonstrate and petition section 59. So there is nothing illegal by me protesting. Freedom to demonstrate and petition. Every person has the right to demonstrate and to present petitions, but this right must be exercised.
Is section
59.
59.
Yes.
You turn a constitution.
Saka every Zimbabwean is supposed to have this book. So long you are a Zimbabwean and you don't know mutema nyika yako wakarashika, because you are supposed to have a copy of this book and you are supposed to know your rights, because this book is for Zimbabweans, is for the people of Zimbabwe.
Right. Inini I'm a Zimbabwean too. Tese tiri maZimbabwean, but kana makuti takajamuka zvino iwo yako ine this flag, iwo yako iwe activist uri kupi?
Kwese.
Takajamuka.
That is progressive.
But bondi riri kutenga zvakadaro makajamuka kuda.
Riri kutenga ku?
Riri kutenga.
Pazasa pane maqueue up, vanokazara maqueue up. It did not even solve the crisis that is in Zimbabwe. That bond note.
Those people have no money in the bank. I just got money today.
You got money because you're corrupt or you know someone inside the bank?
No, I'm not corrupt.
Because if
I can show you my receipt.
If you didn't know anyone in that bank,
no, I can show you my receipt.
Yes, because you know someone in the bank.
No. I
don't even have to read that. Why should I read that? Unemunhu akuchestira kuti ukurumidze kuwana mari. Vamwe vari kurara 3 days vari mumabank.
Vanopenga vana gauro mubank account. Iyo mari inobuda sei yausina. Iyo hauna dhora mai manje. Ndokuvhura line yefoni rako.
Ina ndina. Ndosaka ndichirwa because handina. Ndanga ndinaro I wouldn't be fighting. If I had money I don't even think I would be fighting. But because I don't have I'm supposed to fight. But
I think it's the way you guys go about it that's making us not listen to you. Because in I'm a Zimbabwean just like you.
It's you who's not listening to me. Don't say us. Who are you speaking on behalf of? You're speaking for yourself.
I'm speaking on behalf of the nation.
Which nation?
The nation of Zimbabwe. You understand? I'm a Zimbabwean too.
Who doesn't stay in Zimbabwe?
Yes, I don't stay in Zimbabwe.
So don't talk about us.
But all right.
Because you're
right.
completely two worlds apart.
So if I'm a Zimbabwean who lives in diaspora, why are you guys fighting for diaspora in vote? UK, why are they fighting for a vote?
Because they are also Zimbabweans.
They're not supposed to talk. What I'm Zimbabwean who doesn't live in Zimbabwe?
Yes, because it clearly shows that you don't even understand what we are going through as Zimbabwe.
Well, I understand very much.
Because if you understood, you wouldn't be protecting this very same regime that is making people suffer. Because so long you protect it,
no, opposition will always stay opposition. You know, you will never win. As long as you contest against ZANU-PF.
There is nothing that is impossible under the sun.
That much I will tell you right now, and I'll guarantee, as long as I am alive, meaning as long as I'm alive, no other party is going to rule in this country except ZANU-PF.
And Nina, I'm also telling you that so long I am alive, the ZANU-PF is going to fail.
It won't fall under this flag or Tajamuga Ajita.
This also.
Masaska.
Now you are insulting us.
No.
We never insulted you.
No.
But now the moment you start saying to Masaska. No, whatever Masaska. I'm part of this flag. So the moment
are you part of that?
Yes, I am.
All right, I'm sorry. I'm
because
sorry.
You've already insulted me.
No, I'm sorry.
This conversation.
I'm sorry.
There's no point of having this conversation.
No, I'm sorry about that. Because you was doing nengo yakazvimirira.
Yes, ndinozvimirira.
In the nengo yakazvimirira.
So why should you insult other people?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Is my apology accepted?
Accepted.
All right. And remember, so chimwe chamuri kuda kuti pa program yenyu chamuda kuti chiitike pa program yenyu.
I told you clearly what is supposed to happen in this country.
Mataura nyaya yembudzi yekuti vana vanofana kuenda kuchikoro mahara. Ndakaenda kuchikoro mahara. Because I was born 1985. No, not 85. I was born in 1968.
You don't even know your date.
No. I wanted to say until 1985. I finished school in 1985. So I practically went to school for free.
So why should your child or your grandchild not go to school for free?
Papa, I agree with you totally. I agree with you. All the my elders, 65 and above, should be treated free in the hospital.
How are you trying?
Are we trying? But it's sanctions, sister.
What sanctions?
We have been sanctioned by America and Britain.
I don't want to get into that conversation.
On the interest of Britain in our country is kind of confusing.
Britain ndio irikuita kuti musatenge mishonga kuchipatara.
Yes.
Britain ndio inoita kuti mutore fuel yema ambulance muende kuimende so birthday party kumatokosi. Is that Britain doing that?
I don't know about that because
it was in the newspaper. I'm talking about things that were in the press.
I wasn't there.
ZANU-PF took fuel ambulance kuparenyatwa ichisa mabhazi kuti vaende kubirthday. Is that Britain?
I don't know. I wasn't there. I have to listen to what you're saying.
So that's exactly what I'm telling you.
Yes.
Government yatinayo izvozvi does not care about the welfare of Zimbabwe. Vanhu vari kufa on a daily basis kuchipatara ukazvitaura. Hakuna mishonga, hakuna mvura, hakuna madoctor, everything. So
hopefully the government will do something. Or hopefully
when
I don't know because
the cocks come to roost.
No, and the elections is coming in 2018. We are in 2017. Saka muda utite sei? Imimi.
Amuchaona chidembo achivhirwi pamheni.
All right. Makaipa. Mandigonera zvangu because inini first of all I'm going to say on record I'm very sorry for insulting you on that other thing. I'm not going to repeat it because you know what I mean, we just conversating. And munetwa anizvi zvakare ka because takupedza
ndatsungirirai Masarira shana svavatete wezhara.
All right. Makambosungwa
kakawandisa
makaenda kurimandi
kakawandisa
kokujeri chaiko prison
chaiko ndikatoiswa kumaximum solitary confinement taprotesta kujeri uko nenyaya yechikafu chakadhakwa.
All right. Hai papo nyaya yedu yapera ka pane zvimwe zvingamuda kutaura kana muda kuisa contact yenyu kune mafans enyu.
Contact yangu anoiziva but tosangana paFacebook.
All right. But wakazvimirira wega ka? Ndakazvimirira ndega
zvisingabviri.
But I love my ZANU-PF.
I love my Zimbabwe. And I would do anything to make Zimbabwe great again.
Oh, wakutaura saDonald Trump iwe?
Echokwadi.
Watanga manje.
Echokwadi.
All right. Aiwa maita basa totenda nezvamaita. Anditi ka?
Iribo.
Tatenda.
Totenda zvaro.
Muri saka hama neshamwa dzako dzinokuziya.
Hello guys. How are you?
They fine. Thank you.